Good morning, students of class 10. In this chapter of similarity, we are solving exercise 1, question number 8. In this question, one figure is given, and in this figure, informations are angle ABC is equal to angle AED and angle ACB equal to angle ADE. If AB by AE equal to 9 by 5, find area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ADE. So first of all, we proved these two triangles are similar. For that I have written here, in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, angle ABC equal to angle AED given, and angle ACB equal to angle ADE, this is also given. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle ADE, these two are similar triangles from AA criterion of similarity. First paragraph. In the next paragraph, while these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. AB and AE are corresponding sides. What is the trick to identify? Here this angle is equal, here this angle is equal. So AB equal by AB and AE. Similarly, AC and AD and BC and DE are corresponding sides. Since these two triangles are equal, so ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. AB by AE equal to AC by AD equal to BC by DE equal to 9 by 5. Then ratio of areas of these two triangles ABC and ADE equal to square of the ratio of corresponding sides. Ratio of the corresponding sides is 9 by 5 whole square, that is equal to 81 by 25. Here I have written AB by AE, but you are allowed to take any ratio out of these three. In question number 10, this figure is given in which angle B equal to 90 degree and DE is perpendicular to AC. So here this angle is also 90 degree. AB equal to 8 centimeter, AD equal to 6 centimeter, DC equal to 4 centimeter. We are asked to find area of triangle ABC by area of triangle CDE. So first of all, we proved these two triangles are similar. For that I have written here, in triangle ABC and triangle CDE, angle ABC equal to angle CDE, this angle equal to this angle, that is equal to 90 degree, and angle C is common because it lies in both the triangles. Therefore, ABC is similar to triangle CDE from A criterion. Then I wrote the ratio of the corresponding sides. AB and ED both are perpendicular, so those two became corresponding sides. BC and CD are the bases, so these two are the corresponding sides, and hypotenuse AC and hypotenuse CE are corresponding sides. So ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. I wrote AB by ED equal to BC by CD equal to AC by CE equal to how much we don't know. For that we come to this part. In triangle ABC, AB equal to 8 centimeter and AC equal to AD plus CD, means 6 centimeter plus 4 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Then we found BC from Pythagoras theorem. BC equal to hypotenuse square minus this is perpendicular square. So 10 centimeter whole square minus 8 centimeter whole square equal to, this calculation came 6 centimeter. Now we have this value BC by CD. BC we got 6 centimeter and CD is given 4 centimeter. So this became 6 by 4. So all these ratios are equal to 6 by 4. Now I got area of triangle ABC by area of triangle CDE. We can write any ratio. Here I have written BC by CD whole square, that is equal to 6 by 4 whole square. So this simplified form is 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 3 square, 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4. That is the answer. In question number 12, this figure is given in the question and informations are angle PQR, this angle is 90 degree, QS is perpendicular to PR and ST is perpendicular to QR. Few measurements are also there. PQ equal to 6 centimeter, means this line is 6 centimeter. PS equal to 3 centimeter. Find, question number A, area of triangle QST by area of triangle PQS. So this question is a little different. First of all, we found QS, this line, because hypotenuse is given, base is given. I used Pythagoras theorem to find QS. QS equal to root over PQ square minus PS whole square equal to 6 centimeter whole square minus 3 centimeter whole square, 36 centimeter square minus 9 centimeter square, 27 centimeter square equal to 3 root 3 centimeter. So I got QS. Now we come in triangle QST and PQS to prove these two triangles are similar. And in this, criterion of similarity is also a little different. First of all, I wrote this given informations, those are given here, that angle STQ this is 90 degree and PSQ this is 90 degree. So this equal to 90 degree. Then I found the ratio of QS by PQ. QS, that I have got the value here, by PQ, means 3 root 3 by 6. I got the simplified form as root 3 by 2. Then I got the value of QT from this property. If these two, that is similar or not, we don't know, but if these two are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. So from there, QS by PQ, QS, that is the hypotenuse, QS is the hypotenuse of triangle QST and PQ is hypotenuse of triangle PQS. So QS and PQ became the corresponding sides. QS by PQ I wrote. That should be equal to QT by PS. QT is the base and here PS is the base. So this value QS by PQ we have got root 3 by 2 I kept here. QT we have to find and PS is 3 centimeter I wrote. So QT equal to how much? 3 into root 3 by 2. Now QT by PS, this value, QT by PS equal to how much? QT by PS equal to 3 root 3 by 2 by 3. And I simplified it, I got root 3 by 2. So what are you saying? QS by PQ is root 3 by 2 and QT by PS is also equal to root 3 by 2. So we can say QS by PQ equal to QT by PS equal to root 3 by 2. Now we have two conditions. First condition is angle STQ equal to angle PSQ equal to 90 degree. And second condition, the ratio of the corresponding sides such as QS by PQ equal to QT by PS equal to root 3 by 2. So from these two conditions we can say triangle QST is similar to triangle PQS from SAS criterion. S, A and S. From SAS criterion these two triangles are similar. Now the rule is same. So that I told in this question the criterion of similarity is used differently. Different criterion of similarity is used to prove these two triangles are similar. Now the remaining part of the solution is the same. Area of triangle QST by area of triangle PQS equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides QS by PQ whole square, that we have the value here, root 3 by 2 whole square, that is equal to 3 by 4. Question number 13, this figure is given and informations are XY equal to XZ equal to 13 centimeter, YZ equal to 10 centimeter, XN is perpendicular to YZ, xn is perpendicular to yz. So here is 90 degree and here is also 90 degree. ZW, this length is 8 centimeter, and WM, this WM is perpendicular to XY. Then find area of triangle XNZ by area of triangle MWY. So first of all, I proved these two triangles are similar because X and Z equal to WMY. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Second, this angle equal to this angle because given here XY equal to XZ. For that I wrote XZN because XZY we can write, but XZN lies in triangle X and Z, so I wrote XZN equal to XYW. These two angles are equal and this angle lies in this triangle, so I wrote the name of this angle XZN, and this angle lies in this triangle, so I wrote name as XYW. So XZN equal to MYW because XY equal to XZ. So from a criterion of similarity, triangle X and Z is similar to triangle MWY. Since these two triangles are similar, so the ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. Hypotenuse XZ and hypotenuse YW are corresponding sides, so XZ by YW. Perpendicular XN and perpendicular WM are corresponding sides, XN by MW. Base NZ and base MY are corresponding sides, so ZN by MY equal to how much? XZ is given 13 centimeter and YW equal to YZ plus ZW. YZ is 10 centimeter and ZW is 8 centimeter. So 10 plus 8, 18 centimeter. So the ratio of the corresponding sides equal to 13 by 18. Therefore, area of triangle XNZ by area of triangle MWY equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Means XZ by YW whole square. 13 by 18 whole square. 169 by 324. This became the answer.